Hello everyone, this is Rahul from OPUS. Here we are going to solve this question, draw a batsman playing a hook shot in the game of cricket. So as you know, there are different kinds of shots and for each kind of shots, batsmen take a different posture. So here it's mainly about a figure drawing and how the figure takes its generic posture during this shot. So let's try. We will try with a uh, first the line of action of the cricketer. So it's mostly this way, and this is the angle of the hand. Okay, after that we can quickly volume up the entire figure. So first, the main thing is, first you shall uh, think of it just as a plain lines and how it is going to look like, very simple and minimal lines, so that it helps you understand the general posture that a batsman take during taking this kind of shots, and that will help you go for the final drawing. So this is the first leg, and this will be the second one, which is going to take a stance like this. So after that we can add the volume of the hand, which is mostly this way, and then the fingers, and the fingers are mostly with the gloves. So that is how these figures are. Now from here we can start adding other details like the helmet, little details about the eyes because that won't mostly be visible. So you have to be very cautious about where and how much details you are trying to add. So this is the hand, and for the skin we will add a little bit stroke to indicate the skin. Here there is the gloves, and this is the handle of the bat, which at this angle. and then the other gloves which is holding the bat from the below. So we are going to strengthen some portion to bring out the figures volume and necessary postures, which is very crucial as a solution of this question. So after that we can go for this legs and the batting pad, then the shoes, thus you see we have the posture of the cricketer who is trying to play a hook shot, and this is exactly what the question asks for, to get the right posture of the figure. So it tests your general knowledge about the happenings that is, and also at the same time your knowledge about figure drawings. So later you can add a little bit of background, slide background, which is secondary, but most importantly you need to give details of the figures. So I hope you understood the lesson. Keep practicing various other sports postures and sports sportsmen playing in various other postures and various other actions. It will help you develop your sense of figure drawing in a certain posture. Thank you.